Today, I'll prove that a single tweet from Elon Musk can destroy the crypto market. We will analyze 10 tweets by Elon Musk on Twitter that made huge market changes. Let's start with tweets that impact company prices, so you will see that a single tweet from this genius billionaire playboy and philanthropist can skyrocket or crash a company's value. The first tweet, I made an offer. Our playboy, who has almost the most followers on this social network, posted that he made an offer to buy Twitter, and Tesla lost $40 billion in a day. A post with just 4 words meant the company lost $10 billion for each word written by Musk in this post. Get ready, there's more. In the next post, I want to make Twitter better than ever. I look forward to working with the company. Elon announced the purchase of Twitter and it led to a 12% drop in Tesla's stock price, amounting to $100 billion. There are a few more words in this post. Let me score 15. That means the company lost $6,666,666 for each word written by Musk in this post. The third post. Elon published a post saying the Twitter purchase deal was closed. Twitter, as a company, lost 18% in pre-market trading. The fourth post. Here is not only one post, but a compilation of Elon's political posts that also had a huge impact on the market. Now I'm more right than left. Lips would be cheap. A party more moderate on all issues than either Republicans or Democrats would be ideal. I think Trump should be restored to Twitter. When Musk started declaring that he would no longer vote for Democrats, but now for Republicans, Tesla's share hit their lowest price since August 2021. The fifth tweet, after which the billionaire lost $50 billion. In this post, Elon proposed selling 10% of his Tesla share and added a poll. 3.5 million people voted and the votes were split. And guess what happened? Tesla shares dropped again, minus 12%, which means minus $200 billion from the company's capitalization by the end of the week. You might already think that Elon's post can only crash prices, but here is an example of how one innocent post can lead to a sharp increase in just 5 minutes. Post number 6 and number 7. Who let the dog out? Here is the coin's price at the time of the publication of this post. $0.082 and the price just 5 minutes later, $0.89. An increase of 5 pennies might seem miserable, but it's a 9% increase in the coin's price in just 5 minutes. Dogecoin without Musk's post might not even exist. Just imagine the impact of these posts. Do you want Tesla to accept Dogecoin? Here's our plus number 8. The first serious impact of Elon on the crypto market. This happened on January 29, 2021 when the price of Bitcoin rose from about $32,000 to $38,000 within a few hours. This increase led to a rise in the Bitcoin market capitalization by about $1,011 billion. Finally, post number 10. On February 1st, 2021, Elon Musk tweeted, Doge. This simple tweet caused Dogecoin's price to skyrocket by 50% in just a few hours. The market capitalization of the cryptocurrency increased by billions of dollars. Actually, it was not just one post, but a series of posts from that day. First post, Doge. Second post, Doge rocket to the moon. And captions it, you are welcome. Third post, Doge is the people's crypto. And the fourth post, no highs, no lows, only Doge. What do you think about Elon Musk's impact? Do you believe that in one day, Elon could write something that would even more radically change the world of crypto? Is there anything specific you would like to know or any particular topic you want us to mention? While you like and write a comment, thank you for watching.